Hi everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me. Today you are in my kitchen. We just had it refreshed, not really a major remodel, but actually it really was major. New counters, new backsplashes. It was a labor of love and I actually am really already enjoying it. I finished cleaning it up last night. It took me about, I don't know, 6-8 hours to clean it back up. After all the construction debris, I'm actually waiting for my crew to come back out this morning and fix my dishwasher because something has gone kerflooey with it. But here are the cabinets in the backsplash. Nice color to our kitchen, I really love it. Here's the island. You can see the mural. I apologize about the glare. It is the time of the day more than anything. I have sun streaming in through our windows, which is absolutely lovely, but this side of the cabinet right there is going to have a nice garland of sunflowers, and a chicken will be sitting up there just like on the coffee bar sides. Anyway, there you have it, and then that's the hallway going to the garage. And then here is the eating area in the kitchen. It's a small alcove. It's not really room for like a little seat or something. It's just an eating kitchen, so I really love it. And then that way it is to the family room and the dogs and whatever they've drug out of their kennel. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Share my videos on your social media. Stay happy and be a blessing. Bye.